Welcome to my channel. So today is Saturday. We gotta do another DIY video regarding the Mazda CX-5 that I bought 2 weeks ago. So now we have a chance to do a drain and fill of the automatic transmission fluid at 60,000 miles. It is shifting hard in reverse, on reverse only, and especially in an incline. So I don't know if this will cure it, but we'll try. So before you do the drain and fill transmission flush, you need this 3/8 inch. I saw it from another YouTube video. If you don't have it, maybe you can improvise by just using this. I don't know. And then I'm gonna use the Valvoline fully synthetic ATF automatic transmission fluid. So I looked at the specs online. The Mazda F7, I think, yeah, the CX-5 uses the Mazda F7, which is blue in color. This is red. According to the specs and according to some users that use this, it is compatible. So we'll try and let's see. So this is the drain plug, and we just broke the lock. Now we can untighten it, okay, with our fingers. There you go. Let me get the drain pan. Ooh. After we drain it, we're gonna measure it. Let's see how much we got, and then basically return the same amount. But I think this is low. This is not even. This is not a gallon. That was fast. To refill the transmission fluid, we need to remove this bolt or nut holding the dipstick down. You cannot see it from the bottom, but you can see it from the top. So this is the dipstick, and this is the bolt. I remove the jack stands to really drain it. And I think it's close to level. So I measured how much we took off. It's about 3.9 quarts. According to the internet, drain and fill, we will get 3.5 to 4 quarts. So almost 4 quarts. Yeah, but the quality or the color of the fluid is supposed to be blue. This is like soy sauce. Okay. Alright guys, I use a size 10, size 10 small wrench to remove that. Where's it? Yep, here. The bolt. Now you can remove it by your fingers. Let's see. It's not that bad. There you go. You need to remove this. Now we can remove the dipstick. It's off. This is the dipstick, and this is gonna be our fill port also. While I'm at it, removing some of the surface rust before I drain this, before I fill it. Now we're gonna fill the transmission with the transmission fluid using the Valvoline fully synthetic max life multi-vehicle. So in order for you to deliver the transmission fluid, you need a device similar to this. Okay, you need a hose and a funnel. Okay, you need to do it slowly. Oh, yeah. Okay, see, it goes down slowly. Alright, so we need to put 4 quarts. Guys, nabalik ko. We put the dipstick back, it's close. Now we're gonna start the engine and move the gears. We need to shift the gears, okay, while stationary park. Let's start this. Okay. While stepping on the brakes, put it to reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, still hard shift on drive, neutral, reverse, park. One more time, reverse, neutral, drive. Okay.